My name is Bill Wallace, and I'm the general manager of the Old Orchard Inn. The Old Orchard Inn has been a family business since 1972. What the hotel was looking to achieve when we started working with Efficiency Nova Scotia was to help reduce our power bill. This property is a large property, and the power bill is one of the highest expenses that we have. And being an older property, it was not that efficient. Some of the upgrades that we did was our hallway heat. We did some upgrades with the lighting. One area where we had a really good improvement for guest experience was also with the room thermostat control. So they were more comfortable in the room, and when they came back to the room, it was still at the proper temperature that was satisfactory. Our roof for the hotel is a perfect roof for a solar panel system. It's facing the right direction south, and it's also on the right angle to attract all of the benefits from the sun. The outcome of the upgrades was a little better than what I expected. One of our main goals was to try to reduce the peak demand for the hotel on our energy bill, in addition to try to reduce the total amount of electricity that the hotel was using. We found that this is something that we can market. We have it on our website, and it's just working out great for everyone, I think. If I had a choice to do all of these projects again with Efficiency Nova Scotia, I would certainly do it again. It's nice to know that we're able to have our power bill reduced by probably a good 20 to 30%, both in the overall demand power and on the total amount of kilowatt hours being spent as well.